Hi guys, in this class I will discuss with you about day 3 outlines topic. What we will cover in this day 3 topics. So heading is that hello world prompt in Python, but I will discuss more about Python in this lecture series. So what are the topics outlined for the day 3? At first I will discuss with you about IDE. What is IDE? Introduction to IDE. And then different IDE you can use in the Python. For Python development you can use many IDE, but you have to select any one of them to work with them. So I will discuss to you about introduction to IDE and different IDE. So hello world prompt in Python, how you can create hello world prompt in the Python. There are many methods, there are many ways you can create a hello world prompt or Python file, and then you can execute that file. So there are methods I will discuss with you. So different ways to create and execute Python file. CMD method means command prompt, plain text file, notepad plus VS code. So these are different topics I will discuss with you in this day 3. Introduction to IDE. What is IDE basically? Different IDE. Hello world prompt in the Python. So this hello world prompt I will create using these 4 methods. So it will be a beneficial one day 3 lecture series. Don't miss any lecture. You have to complete why this lecture series. You will be clear each and everything.